Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming a get ready with me video. The theme is date night. So first I'm going to be starting with a bare face. And then I'm going to apply Morphe Concealer in C345. I start by applying some to the bottom of my brow. And then to the top of my brow. And then I'm going to use this concealer brush to blend it in. And my Real Techniques beauty sponge. I really like this concealer because it blends in really well. And it's great for brightening up certain areas of the face. And this is the Sienna's palette from Profusion Cosmetics. I'm going to be using this to fill in my brows with the shade Cozy. I really like this shade because it really blends in with my brows and it's a great color. And then I'm going to be applying more concealer to the top of my lid and blending it in more. My favorite setting powder right now has to be Cinema Secrets in Rich Tan. It's a great color. Their setting powder works really well. Next, I'm going to be applying this shade from Profusion Cosmetics in the Sienna's palette as well. Next, I'm going to be applying this color to my crease. I've really been enjoying using earth tones for my crease. Oops, I just noticed there was some fluff on my eye. Oh well, we'll get it after. One thing I really like about this palette is a lot of these colors really blend seamlessly together. And they look great on every skin tone. Then I blend the colors together. I started with that eye, and then I'm going to apply some of this shade to the bottom of my lid, to my waterline. I've really been interested in using earth tones for my eyes because I feel like it looks really good against my skin tone. And then I'm going to be using a gel liner to line my waterline. And then I'm going to be using some mascara from CoverGirl. One fun tip I learned is that when you're lining your waterline, you can breathe in through your nose to prevent your eyes from watering. I really like this mascara because it really elongates my lashes, and honestly, whenever I use it, I don't need to apply false lashes. It's a really great mascara, and it's a good drugstore brand. It's really easy to apply. Next, I'm going to apply NYX Butter Gloss in Praline over my lips. I already lined my lips with a NYX lip liner. I can't remember the shade, but I'll put it in the description box below. I really love NYX Butter Glosses because they're really moisturizing and they're really good neutral colors, like nude colors for the lips. Then I'm going to apply some more concealer underneath my eyes. And this is still the Morphe C345. I start by applying it underneath my eyes and then down the center of my nose. You have to make sure you blend it in really well so that way it blends seamlessly with the foundation. Normally when you use a sponge, you want to dampen it so that way the products blend in seamlessly. And then I'm using a Michael Todd Beauty foundation brush. Well, it can also be used for skincare products as well. So then I'm going to apply some more concealer to the center of my chin. And And then I applied 2 of the colors from the Sienna's palette to my cheekbones to contour my face. I'll include the names of those below as well. And then I use the same shades for my nose. Oh, there goes that face again. So normally when you're blending out your contour, you want to blend it into the eyebrow. So another fun fact that I learned is that when you're applying contour, if it ends up being too harsh, you can always go back over it with the sponge that you use to apply your foundation to make it look more natural. Oop, there goes that face. And now for my wig. This wig is from Bellami Hair and it's called Madeline. It's one of their new releases that they're going to be putting out soon on their website. I really like wearing their wigs because they're really easy to apply. And this has a beautiful shade to it. I feel like the colors, the highlights on it really highlight and frame the face. This is great for every day and it's good for daytime and nighttime looks. The gray top was from this online company, fitness apparel company called Funk Fit Co. By the way, this wig is also human hair. It's really easy to curl and straighten if needed. And this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, and let me know in the comment box if there's any looks that you'd like to see me film. This dress is from Fashion Nova. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment below, and like my video. And you can follow me on Instagram at Brittany S. Mason Official. Thank you guys so much for watching.